My favorite part of swampUP this year is that it's back in Napa, but also the venue and the whole ecosystem around DevOps, DevSecOps, and now DevGovOps has grown.
My favorite part of swampUP is honestly the chance to make connections, learn from other people about what they're doing, and also, be able to share some of what I've been doing and pass on my experience.
How all these different companies are coming together, closer together, and having integrations. All the time in our company, we see all these teams are working in silos. So I really like that thing. And definitely with the agentics and AI coming into picture, making it more robust and useful for us.
My favorite part of swampUP, I think it was the training yesterday. I took the training around curation and X-ray, and I think I really enjoyed that. It was good stuff.
My favorite part of swampUP has been the people. I have met so many incredible practitioners here and folks that I actually met before online, so it's like a reunion of sorts.
The networking part and the people and the energy that I felt here, it was great. It was my first time attending, and I hope to attend again.